Karcher have a range of detergents especially formulated for use with Karcher pressure washers. There's a detergent for every cleaning task, such as patios, decking, vehicles and garden furniture. Detergent helps break down stubborn dirt before using your high-pressure jet, saving you time, water and energy, and giving you the best possible results. Depending on which model you have, either drop the detergent bottle directly into the back of your machine, pour into the onboard tank, or place the suction tube inside the bottle. Karcher detergents also give fantastic results when used with our foam nozzle. To draw detergent through your Karcher pressure washer, simply adjust your vario lance to its lowest setting or remove the lance from your trigger gun completely. Detergent can also be used automatically with our range of brushes and sponges. Larger models in the Karcher pressure washer range allow you to adjust the concentration of your detergent. Karcher detergents are compatible with all Karcher domestic pressure washers.